gives so much of the prediction so true. So now he is, because of his predictions, we are honoring him. Receiving the medal in this powerful building of the world. What he say?
Yes,
His predictions are going to be more powerful.
Honorable and respected Thalidar, Sir, Deepakji, distinguished guests, and my dear friends. You know, my only mission in the world is to spread astrology to every home. I teach in more than 70 plus countries, and within 6 months, I make sure that they learn and predict at least 80 to 85%, close to 90% of predictions, whatever they say. You know, it's not about fatalistic. Astrology is a GPS of life, like the tool. You know, we use so many tools, finance tool, HR tool. Astrology is also a tool which can optimize your performance in your daily life, in your personal life, whatever. The human life is full of events, from birth to career to finances to marriage to relationship, to so many critical things. If your time is right and you take the decision at the right time, astrology helps you with that. So it is a sacred science, and my vision is to spread this science to everyone. Thank you so much. I'll keep it short. Thank you.